How many of you campers, RVers, tenters have trouble keeping your spices from clumping in your cabinets? Now, these I've had sitting by the sink since I brought them home, but these are still, I mean, you can see I can still use these because they're not clumped up. I can still use these. So in order to preserve these, I bought something from Ikea that I hope will help. So these are salt and pepper shakers. But as you can see, they have a top that you twist around. And they're glass. And they're small. So I am going to transfer my seasonings into these spice holders. I got these from Ikea. A 2-pack was $2.49. So here is everything that I got from Ikea, and I'll go into it a little bit. So I bought this for the shower, for soap and shampoo and body wash. And the thing I liked about this was that it had suction cups, so that I do not have to have a nail or anything in the shower. It just has the suction, really good thick suction cups on it. So once I put this up, I'll show it to you in the camper. I also bought, yes, you are seeing that correctly, a wine glass holder. This was $2.99, and I'm bougie at the campground, so I need to have my wine glasses, and I didn't have a place to store them. I will show you how I install this. Again, it is just under the cabinet, and I'll show you that once I install that. I bought 3 sets of these. I only have 2 because I'm filling the other ones. And these are going to be for my spices. They were $2.49 a piece. And the reason I bought them, 1, was because they were small. 2, because they were glass. And 3, because they have the holes where I can close it up, open it up as much as I need to. And hopefully that will keep my spices nice and fresh. I also bought this for the shower. Again, suction cups. This is going to be for my bath puff and my makeup cloth in the shower. I bought silverware because I'm tired of buying disposable throwaway silverware. So there are 4 forks, knives, tablespoons, teaspoons. These were $7.99. And I have 4 of each in here. So I bought 2 sets. So I have a 8-piece dinnerware set for $15. I bought 2 bowls because Alex likes to eat noodles and cereal while we're at the campground. And again, buying paper bowls were getting a little bit expensive. 45 cents a piece. For 90 cents, I got 2 big bowls. And I can use it as serving bowls as well. And again, the whole paper plate debate is no longer. I bought 8 of these plates. They're really, really thick for 45 cents a piece. So for $3.60, I got 8 plates. And I bought this because I like the squareness of it, because this will fit perfectly in the cabinet, being square instead of the round one. $2.19. So that was my Ikea haul for Saturday. Yes, I went back another day, and I will show you those next week.